On March 6, 2025, Anthropic, a leading AI research organization, published a pivotal document titled Recommendations to OSTP for the US AI Action Plan. This report outlines their predictions regarding the future of artificial intelligence AI and offers crucial recommendations aimed at enhancing national security infrastructure and economic resilience in anticipation of the transformative impact of advanced AI systems expected to emerge by late 2026 or early 2027. Predictions for advanced AI systems. Anthropic forecasts that by the end of 2026 or the beginning of 2027, AI systems will reach a level of intellectual capability comparable to that of Nobel Prize winners. These advanced AI models are expected to autonomously perform a wide array of digital tasks, including text processing, audio and video analysis, and internet browsing. Furthermore, they will possess the ability to reason independently over extended periods, spanning hours or even weeks, and will be capable of controlling physical devices through digital means. This level of advancement signifies a paradigm shift in the field of AI, potentially altering how digital tasks are executed across various sectors. Recommendations for national security. In light of such a significant technological shift, Anthropic emphasizes the need for robust measures to safeguard national security. Key recommendations include: 1. Government testing of AI models. Anthropic advocates for a comprehensive testing framework for AI models to evaluate their security risks. This proactive approach aims to ensure that emerging AI technologies do not pose threats to national safety or cybersecurity. 2. Stricter export controls. The organization calls for implementing stricter export controls on critical components essential for AI development, particularly the H20 chip. Such measures are intended to prevent sensitive technologies from falling into the hands of adversaries and ensure that U.S. technological superiority is maintained. 3. Secure communication channels. They recommend establishing secure communication channels between AI research laboratories and intelligence agencies. This connectivity will facilitate the sharing of insights and intelligence, enhancing collaborative efforts to monitor and mitigate potential risks associated with advanced AI systems. Infrastructure development. To accommodate the anticipated growth of AI technologies, Anthropic suggests significant infrastructure investments. 1. Power capacity expansion. The report proposes that the U.S. government should aim to build an additional 50 gigawatts of power capacity dedicated specifically to AI operations by 2027. This investment is crucial to meet the energy demands of increasingly powerful AI systems, ensuring that they can operate efficiently and sustainably. 2. Accelerating AI adoption. The organization emphasizes the importance of accelerating the integration of AI technologies across federal agencies. By doing so, the government can enhance operational efficiency, improve service delivery, and better harness the potential of AI to solve complex problems. Economic data collection improvement. Anthropic highlights the necessity for improved economic data collection to better understand the implications of AI on the workforce and societal structures. By enhancing data collection efforts, policymakers can gain insights into how AI might affect job markets, economic productivity, and overall societal well-being. This understanding is vital for developing strategies that ensure a smooth transition as AI technologies become more integrated into various sectors. Conclusion. Anthropic's recommendations to OSTP for the US AI Action Plan underscores a proactive and strategic approach to managing the implications of rapid advancements in AI technology. Their predictions of powerful AI systems capable of independent reasoning and digital task management signal a future that requires careful consideration of national security, infrastructure needs, and economic adaptation. The recommendations aim to foster a collaborative environment where advancements in AI can be harnessed for societal benefit while mitigating associated risks. The urgency of these recommendations is evident as the timeline for the emergence of advanced AI systems approaches. By taking decisive action now, the U.S. can position itself to not only lead in the development of AI technologies but also to ensure that these advancements contribute positively to national security and the broader society. Anthropic's publication Recommendations to OSTP for the US AI Action Plan presents several predictions and recommendations that might seem intuitive at first glance but contain counterintuitive elements when scrutinized closely. Here are some of the noteworthy aspects. 1. Intellectual capability comparison. Anthropic predicts that powerful AI systems capable of matching the intellectual abilities of Nobel Prize winners will emerge by late 2026 or early 2027. This prediction implies that intelligence can be quantitatively measured and compared across fundamentally different entities, humans and AI. The counterintuitive aspect here is the assumption that AI, which operates on algorithms and data processing, can genuinely replicate or even surpass the nuanced understanding, creativity, and emotional intelligence that characterize human Nobel laureates. This raises philosophical questions about the nature of intelligence itself, suggesting that we might need to rethink our definitions of intelligence and achievement. 2. National security and AI testing. The recommendation for stronger national security actions, including government testing of AI models for security risks, is another area where the conventional wisdom may be challenged. Typically, the development of advanced technologies is considered a race for innovation, potentially sidelining safety concerns. However, Anthropic's call for rigorous testing aligns with a more precautionary principle, suggesting that the rapid advancement of AI should not outpace our ability to understand and mitigate potential risks. This highlights a counterintuitive truth. As technology becomes more advanced, our regulatory and safety frameworks may need to become more stringent, rather than more lenient, to promote innovation. 3. Power capacity investment. Anthropic suggests building 50 gigawatts of additional power capacity specifically for AI by 2027. The counterintuitive element here is the notion that increased energy consumption is not merely a byproduct of technological advancement but a fundamental requirement for its sustainability. While many discussions surrounding AI focus on efficiency and optimization, this recommendation implies that the very existence of powerful AI systems could necessitate a significant increase in energy infrastructure. This challenges the narrative that technology can always lead to reduced resource consumption or greater efficiency. For faster AI adoption in government, the proposal to accelerate AI adoption across federal agencies suggests that the government should adapt quickly to new technologies to enhance efficacy. However, this could counterintuitively lead to concerns about the readiness of these systems, especially regarding ethical considerations, transparency, and accountability. The quick integration of potentially untested AI technologies might increase operational efficiency but could also lead to unforeseen consequences and public distrust in government institutions. This highlights a tension between the speed of technological adoption and the slower pace of societal readiness for such transformations. 5. Improving economic data collection. Anthropic emphasizes the need for improved economic data collection to understand AI's impact on jobs and society. The counterintuitive point here is the idea that better data collection may not necessarily translate into better outcomes. While more data can lead to more informed decisions, it may also lead to paralysis by analysis, where decision-makers become overwhelmed by information and fail to act effectively. Furthermore, there is the risk that data collection itself could infringe on privacy rights and exacerbate existing inequalities, contradicting the intended aim of using data to enhance societal well-being. In summary, Anthropic's recommendations uncover several layers of counterintuitive logic regarding the future of AI national security infrastructure development and societal adaptation. These insights invite a deeper examination of how we approach the integration of advanced technologies into our lives and the frameworks that govern them, suggesting that the challenges posed by AI are not merely technical but fundamentally philosophical and ethical. In Anthropic's recommendations to OSTP for the US AI Action Plan, several critical points emerge that warrant deeper examination beyond the surface-level insights typically discussed in mainstream analyses. Here are some significant content elements that many may overlook and their implications. 1. Predictions of advanced AI capabilities. While it is often highlighted that Anthropic predicts the arrival of AI systems with intellectual capabilities akin to Nobel Prize winners by 2026 to 2027, the implications of this prediction extend beyond mere capability. The assertion that these systems will manage digital tasks autonomously, text, audio, video, and reason over extended periods raises essential questions about the nature of work and intelligence. Significance. The acknowledgement that AI could approach or exceed human cognitive abilities suggests a paradigm shift in the workforce. It implies that many jobs could become obsolete and new types of employment will emerge, necessitating a significant restructuring of education and training programs. This transition could exacerbate socioeconomic divides if adequate policies are not put in place. 2. National security recommendations. Anthropic's emphasis on national security, particularly through government testing of AI models for risks and tighter export controls on critical chips like the H20, is significant in the context of global AI competition. The focus on secure communication channels between AI labs and intelligence agencies is often overlooked but highlights a necessary collaboration between tech and security sectors. Significance. This recommendation addresses the dual-use nature of AI technologies, which can be used both for beneficial purposes and malicious intents. The emphasis on security is critical as it ensures that advancements in AI do not inadvertently contribute to global instability. The potential for AI systems to be manipulated for harmful purposes underscores the urgency for regulatory frameworks that can adapt to rapidly evolving technologies. 3. Infrastructure development. The call for building 50 gigawatts of additional power capacity dedicated to AI by 2027 is a technical but vital recommendation that is frequently underappreciated. Infrastructure is often seen as a background issue in discussions about technological advancement. Significance. This recommendation points to the significant energy consumption that advanced AI systems will require. The implications of this are twofold. It raises concerns about the environmental impact of energy production, especially if fossil fuels remain a primary energy source, and it necessitates a strategic alignment of energy policy with technological advancement. As AI systems scale, the demand for sustainable energy solutions becomes crucial to avoid exacerbating climate change. 4. Acceleration of AI adoption across federal agencies. The suggestion to accelerate AI adoption within federal agencies touches on an often ignored area of governance. While discussions around AI often focus on private sector innovations, the public sector's role in adopting these technologies is equally important. Significance. Rapid integration of AI into government operations can enhance efficiency and responsiveness to citizen needs. However, this raises questions about transparency, accountability, and ethical use of AI in decision-making processes. As AI systems become more integrated into governance, ensuring that they are used responsibly and equitably will be crucial to maintaining public trust. 5. Improved economic data collection. Anthropic's recommendation for enhanced economic data collection to gauge AI's societal impact is a critical yet often overlooked aspect. The economic implications of AI are profound but frequently lack precise measurement and understanding. Significance. Without accurate data, policymakers may struggle to implement effective strategies to mitigate negative impacts on job markets and economic inequality. Improved data collection will provide insights into how AI affects various sectors, enabling more informed decision-making. This foresight is vital for preparing the workforce for transitions and addressing potential disparities that may arise as AI technologies proliferate. Conclusion. In summary, while the overarching themes of Anthropic's recommendations have been widely circulated, the nuanced implications of their predictions and proposals warrant deeper exploration. Addressing these overlooked aspects is critical, as they not only highlight the potential challenges posed by advanced AI systems but also call attention to the necessary policy adaptations that must accompany technological advancements. The proactive measures recommended by Anthropic serve as a foundational framework for navigating the complex landscape of AI's future impact on society, security, and the economy. As we edge closer to the predicted timeline for these powerful AI systems, the urgency for comprehensive strategies and collaborative approaches becomes increasingly evident. Key points for in-depth analysis of Anthropic's recommendations to OSTP for the US AI Action Plan. 1. Predictions on AI capabilities and timeline. Summary: Anthropic forecasts the emergence of advanced AI systems by late 2026 or early 2027 with capabilities on par with Nobel Prize winners. These systems are expected to manage complex digital tasks, autonomously reason independently for extended periods, and control physical devices. Analysis: this prediction raises critical questions about the pace of AI development and its implications for various sectors. The anticipated capabilities suggest a shift in how AI might integrate into everyday tasks, including those traditionally managed by skilled professionals. An exploration of the potential societal impacts, including changes in job markets, ethical concerns around AI decision-making, and the need for regulatory frameworks to ensure safety and fairness, is essential. 2. National security recommendations. Summary: Anthropic emphasizes the need for robust national security measures, including government testing of AI models for security risks, stricter export controls on essential AI components like the H20 chip, and secure communication channels between AI labs and intelligence agencies. Analysis: the call for enhanced national security measures reflects growing concerns about the implications of powerful AI systems. Analyzing the potential risks associated with AI, such as misuse in cyber warfare or the creation of autonomous weapons, is critical. This discussion should also consider the balance between fostering innovation and implementing necessary safeguards, as well as the international competitiveness of US AI technologies in light of stricter export controls. 3. Infrastructure and energy needs. Summary: Anthropic recommends that the government invest in building an additional 50 gigawatts of power capacity dedicated to AI by 2027, highlighting the anticipated energy demands of future AI technologies. Analysis: the infrastructure demands of advanced AI systems pose significant challenges not only in energy generation but also in sustainability and environmental considerations. A detailed examination should include the implications of increased energy consumption, potential sources of this energy, renewable versus non-renewable, and the role of infrastructure in facilitating the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. This point also ties into broader discussions about systemic changes needed to accommodate the AI revolution. 4. Economic data collection and AI adoption. Summary: Anthropic calls for accelerated AI adoption across federal agencies and improved economic data collection to understand the impact of AI on jobs and society. Analysis: the recommendation to enhance economic data collection underscores the need for informed policymaking in an era where AI will profoundly affect labor markets and economic structures. A thorough analysis could investigate the potential disruptions to employment, the need for reskilling and upskilling initiatives, and the importance of developing a comprehensive understanding of AI's economic impact. Additionally, the role of government agencies in leading by example through AI adoption can be explored, highlighting the potential benefits and efficiency gains that AI can offer in public sector operations. Conclusion: Anthropic's recommendations to the OSTP highlight critical considerations for the future of AI, encompassing technological predictions, national security, infrastructure needs, and economic impacts. A comprehensive analysis of these points can drive meaningful discussions about the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies, ensuring that society is prepared to harness their benefits while mitigating associated risks. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1945. This was a research and development project during World War II in the United States that produced the first nuclear weapons. The project involved significant national security measures, including strict secrecy and the collaboration of scientists across various fields. The government recognized the potential for nuclear technology to alter global power dynamics and invested heavily in the infrastructure and resources necessary for its development. Similar to Anthropic's recommendations for preparing for advanced AI, the Manhattan Project underscored the need for rigorous testing, security protocols, and coordination between scientific communities and government agencies. 2. The Apollo Program 1961–1972. The Apollo program was a series of missions aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. This initiative required extensive planning resources and collaboration between NASA government officials and private contractors. The program's success relied on advancements in technology, significant federal investment in infrastructure, and a robust framework for addressing risks associated with space exploration. The emphasis on national security, technological advancement, and the need for improved data collection and analysis resonates with Anthropic's call for accelerated AI adoption and infrastructure development in response to emerging technologies. 3. The development of the Internet 1960s to 1990s. Initially developed as a defense project by the U.S. Department of Defense, the ARPANET aimed to create a robust, fault-tolerant communication network. As it evolved, the Internet became a critical infrastructure for information sharing and communication, requiring policies to manage security risks and the potential for misuse. The government's involvement in early Internet development parallels Anthropic's recommendations for secure communication channels between AI labs and intelligence agencies, and the need for strategic measures to ensure safe and responsible AI deployment as its capabilities expand. Anthropic's recent publication, Recommendations to OSTP for the U.S. AI Action Plan, outlines significant predictions and recommendations concerning the future of artificial intelligence (AI). Their analysis suggests that by late 2026 or early 2027 we can expect the emergence of highly advanced AI systems that possess intellectual capabilities akin to those of Nobel Prize winners. These systems are predicted to autonomously manage a wide array of digital tasks, including text, audio, video processing, and internet browsing, while also having the capacity for long-term independent reasoning and digital control of physical equipment. Key predictions. 1. Advanced AI systems. Anthropic anticipates that the AI systems developed by 2026 to 2027 will have cognitive abilities that can rival human experts in various domains. This could lead to a shift in how digital tasks are approached, with AI managing complex projects that once required human oversight. 2. Autonomous functionality. The ability of AI to reason independently over extended periods could revolutionize fields such as research, content creation, and data analysis. Companies may rely on AI to generate reports, conduct experiments, or even manage logistics without continuous human intervention. 3. Integration with physical systems. The capacity to control physical equipment digitally suggests that AI could take on roles in manufacturing, healthcare, and infrastructure management, potentially increasing efficiency and reducing human error. Recommendations for national security. In light of these anticipated advancements, Anthropic has proposed several crucial recommendations aimed at bolstering national security and preparing for the societal impacts of AI. 1. Testing for security risks. They advocate for government-led testing of AI models to identify and mitigate security risks. This could help prevent the misuse of AI technologies and ensure that they are safe for public use. 2. Stricter export controls. The recommendation for stricter export controls on critical components like the H20 chip aims to safeguard national interests and prevent adversaries from gaining access to advanced AI technologies. 3. Secure communication channels. Establishing secure communication pathways between AI laboratories and intelligence agencies is crucial for monitoring and controlling the development of AI technologies that could pose security threats. Infrastructure and economic recommendations. Anthropic also highlights the importance of infrastructure development and economic preparation in light of AI's potential societal impacts. 1. Power capacity expansion. the suggestion to build an additional 50 gigawatts of power capacity dedicated to AI by 2027 addresses the anticipated energy demands of advanced AI technologies, ensuring that infrastructure can support this growth. 2. Accelerating AI adoption. Their call for accelerated integration of AI across federal agencies implies that the government should lead by example, utilizing AI to improve efficiency and service delivery. 3. Improved economic data collection. Enhancing the collection of economic data concerning AI's impacts is vital for policymakers to understand how AI technologies will affect job markets and societal structures, enabling proactive measures to mitigate negative consequences. Future outlook. The predictions and recommendations made by Anthropic suggest a transformative period ahead for AI technologies by 2027. As AI systems advance, we may witness job displacement and transformation. The rise of powerful AI could lead to significant shifts in the job market. While some jobs may become obsolete, new roles focusing on AI management, oversight, and ethics may emerge. Increased efficiency across sectors such as healthcare, finance, and education could experience enhanced operational efficiency and innovation, driven by AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and make informed decisions rapidly. Societal challenges. The integration of advanced AI into daily life presents challenges including ethical considerations, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse. Policymakers will need to navigate these issues carefully to maximize benefits while minimizing risks. Global competition and collaboration. As nations race to develop and deploy advanced AI technologies, international collaboration and standards will become increasingly important. Establishing frameworks for ethical AI development and ensuring equitable access to technology will be crucial for global stability. In summary, Anthropic's insights highlight both the tremendous potential of AI and the critical need for proactive measures to address its implications. The recommendations focus on national security, infrastructure development, and economic readiness, aiming to prepare society for a future where powerful AI systems play an integral role. As we approach 2027, the urgency of these recommendations will likely become more pronounced, necessitating a coordinated effort among governments, industries, and researchers to harness AI's potential responsibly and effectively.